Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log into Sofi.com. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for Sofi.com. And we get into this interface. Now, we need to simply enter our email address here and enter your password. Now, we need to write the code shown above. Now, if you have forgotten the password, simply click on Forgot Password to reset it. Once you are done, simply click on Login. Now, we need to complete our two-factor authentication and simply click on Continue. Now, you can simply get the phone call or text message, or you can use the Authenticator app as well. So once you are done with this process, you'll finally log in to Sofi.com. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.